Welcome to Online Tools Master, your go-to channel for quick and simple online solutions. In today's video, we'll explore the Unique List Item Finder, a super simple browser-based tool that helps you extract unique items from any list with ease. To use this tool, simply open your web browser and search for www.onlinetools.com/list/. This will take you directly to the Unique List Item Finder tool. This tool identifies and extracts unique items from your list. If an item appears multiple times in the input, it will appear only once in the output. You can also enable the Find Absolutely Unique Items option to get items that have no duplicates in the list. It's perfect for cleaning up noisy data or ensuring accurate results. Let's find unique car plate numbers from a list. We'll choose the character separator mode, enter a comma as the delimiter, trim items, and skip empty entries. The output shows unique plates, separated by an asterisk. Here, we'll find products that appear only once in a shared shopping list. Activating the Find Absolutely Unique Items option quickly highlights the solo products in the output. For astrological signs, we'll use a regex delimiter, like to handle multiple separators. By trimming spaces, we get a clean, unique list displayed one item per line. Want to differentiate between May the month and May the verb? Turn on the case-sensitive items option, and this tool treats them as distinct. For musical notes, we'll use the special character as a delimiter. The output gives us unique notes, cleanly separated by spaces. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to check out our recent videos on how to pixelate an image and rotate an image. These tutorials are packed with tips to make your online tasks easier. Try the Unique List Item Finder today at www.onlinetools.com/list/ and simplify your workflow. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more tutorials. See you in the next video.